Experience the ultimate investment destination where prosperity meets innovation. Introducing the Anambra International Ultramodern Market, located in the vibrant and prosperous state known as the Light of the Nation. This market is a groundbreaking development offering a unique blend of physical and online trading opportunities in a secure and serene environment in Isiagu Town, Awka South, Anambra State. This market is of 4 major access routes and a dual carriage road for easy accessibility. The Anambra International Ultramodern Market is designed to cater to a variety of businesses, from open shops selling fresh produce to mega plazas housing multitude of stores. The market's innovative structures include 6 sections, each offering a range of amenities such as the admin blocks, computer complexes, warehouses, and greenhouses. This market is a real-time physical and online market where one can trade, access, and interact with stores, goods, and customers anywhere in the globe. The mega plazas are of amazing features, which are administrative block, computer complexes, abattoir, waste management system, standard gates, and fence. The market has sound comprehensive amenities such as police post and fire station, trailer park and boreholes, schools and hospitals. In addition to providing a thriving marketplace for local and foreign establishments, the Anambra International Ultramodern Market also features essential services such as Igbeizone Microfinance Bank, serving the shop owners, sellers, and buyers. Also, with a comprehensive landline and telecommunication system connecting all areas of the market. This development is a testament to Anambra State's commitment to economic growth and prosperity. Anambra State Ultramodern Market is more than just a market. It's a beacon of prosperity, a symbol of progress, and a testament to Anambra State's commitment to innovation. Investing in this property at Anambra State International Ultramodern Market is not just a smart financial decision, rather, it is a strategic move towards securing a bright future and prosperous one. Join us in this historic endeavor and be a part of the legacy of success and innovation in the heart of Anambra State. Secure your place in this revolutionary project and reap the rewards of a thriving economic hub. This market is strategically placed in Anambra Industrial City in the Awka metropolis. The market is conveniently situated for residents and businesses alike. Currently, the market is offering forms for shops purchase. We encourage interested investors to take advantage of this opportunity now, as availability is limited. Secure your form today, as the shops are being sold on a first-come, first-served basis. Anambra JC Michael Nigeria Limited is the investor and the developer of this revolutionary project. The marketing and sales of this market are managed by Onimazi Nation Limited. Brought to you by Onimazi Nation, beaming the light to the world. For more enquiry, contact us on 080-6513-4215 or 081-06-25-6727.